What if I told you the biggest difference between rich people and everyone else isn't how much money they make, it's how they use it. While most people work for money their entire lives, the rich make money work for them. And once you understand their system, you'll never look at money the same way again. Most people are taught one formula: go to school, get a job, work hard, save money. Sounds safe, right? But here's the problem. Saving money alone rarely creates wealth anymore. Inflation quietly eats your savings every single year. Prices go up, rent goes up, food gets more expensive. Meanwhile, the rich are doing something completely different. They invest, not just in stocks, but in assets that grow while they sleep. That's the game most people never learn. Average people ask, how much does this cost? Rich people ask, how much can this make me? That mindset changes everything. Instead of buying things that lose value, the rich buy assets. Things like stocks, real estate, businesses, and investments that grow over time. While many people spend money trying to look rich, wealthy people focus on becoming richer quietly. And here's the craziest part. Many millionaires don't drive supercars. They don't wear flashy clothes, because real wealth is often invisible. Now imagine someone investing just a few $100s every month into the stock market. At first, it doesn't look like much, but over time, compound growth changes everything. The rich understand something most people ignore. Money grows faster when you give it time. That's why wealthy people don't just work harder. They let investments, businesses, and assets build wealth automatically in the background. While most people trade time for money every day, the rich build systems that continue paying them. And then comes the biggest mistake keeping people broke: lifestyle inflation. The moment many people start earning more money, they spend more money. Better car, new phone, expensive clothes, bigger apartment. But rich people often do the opposite. When their income increases, they buy more assets instead of liabilities. That's why two people with the exact same salary can end up living completely different lives years later. One stays trapped paycheck to paycheck. The other becomes financially free. The wealthy also understand another powerful secret: multiple income streams. Most people depend on one paycheck, but rich people build several ways to make money: investments, businesses, rental income, online income, and passive cash flow. If one source fails, they still survive. That's why financial freedom isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about building income that keeps paying you even when you're not working. So in the end, the real difference between the rich and everyone else is simple. Most people spend first and invest later. The rich invest first and spend what's left. And the earlier you understand that, the more your future can change. So what do you think is the biggest financial mistake people make today? Comment below and subscribe for more videos about money, investing, and financial freedom.